In this video, we'll walk through how to create and manage an AI call assistant for the concurrent call feature. This AI agent replaces the traditional IVR system. Instead of using pre-recorded audio, it can interact with waiting customers in real time on your behalf. Let's get started. From the navigation bar, go to Calls and select AI Assistants. On the AI Call Assistant page, click Create your AI Assistant. Enter a name for your assistant. Now, let's set a voice as well. In the drop-down, you can preview a voice by clicking on the play button on the right side. Select a voice that is suitable for you. The first message and system prompt are key to how your call assistant communicates. The first message sets the initial tone of the conversation, while the system prompt defines the agent's role, behavior, and style, such as acting as an MCA agent, customer service executive, or any other role you need. Both fields come pre-filled, but you can edit them to align with your business requirements. For guidance on writing effective prompts, click View Guidelines. Taking the time to fine-tune these settings ensures your call assistant provides accurate, professional, and engaging conversations. Then click Continue. Knowledge Base allows you to enhance your assistant's knowledge in a specific field. Select an option from the drop-down. You can edit the description if necessary. Now, upload documents that contain details on the knowledge base that you just selected. In the pop-up, click Browse Files, select one or more documents, then click Choose Files to upload them. After finishing all changes, click Save AI Agent to create your assistant. Now that the assistant is created, let's test it. To do that, first, assign a phone number to the agent. Only Easify gateway numbers that are not set as a default or already assigned to sub-users can be used. In the Assign Phone Number pop-up, select the number you want. Click Assign Number. From now on, the AI will automatically manage your calls, including incoming ones, and credits will be deducted for each call. If you want, you can unassign it after testing it. Click Confirm and Assign to continue. Now let's test the AI agent. Clicking on the Test AI Agent button will initiate a call from this assigned number to your default number. You can attend that call and talk to the agent directly. You can also see the live transcription function of the AI on the screen as well. In the AI Call Assistant section, click on View Assigned Numbers. You can see the assigned number here. If you wish, you can either assign more numbers or remove the previously assigned number. Your AI Call Assistant is now ready to handle real-world calls automatically. Thank you for watching.